Yardstyle live.
Because I was going to Channel One. And when my first song that catapulted me into stardom, in the sense of me traveling and doing work overseas, because I've performed from Madison Square Gardens, Lincoln Center, the Ritz. I've performed all those places already. I performed in front of thousands of people. I performed in the days when some fest have like 40 or 50,000 people there. Not some fest, Sunsplash. Sunsplash. So I've done all of that. You understand me? Like you hear some people start talk, and this is people may not try boasting them, but just fight for and just try my best. Where you know, me used to drive like a prestigious car. Them would say, boy, Biggy the first start them say I drive a Benz or a certain thing, but I don't really try to hold on to that fame because Peter Metro used to do the same. You know, and Jack Thomas used to do the same as a DJ, Yellow Man. So the thing is that I was more polarizing because of my size. So it wasn't because I'm bigger than them in the music, but besides, some more stand out, some people say, all the while.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.